This is the reason why you should secure all of your accounts, including your social media. Last December 2023, I have lost my Blue App account. That account was actually an account since I was in high school. And suddenly, January of 2024, I have lost that account. I have lost thousands of followers, thousands of posts. Facebook says I have committed few community guidelines, so okay, I was fine with that. I created an account again in that same year and I started posting, but I never have any violation or any community guidelines violations. Just until 3 days back, again, it happened. I have lost again my hard work. I have lost again thousands of followers and hundreds of posts. And about dawn time, about 3 in the morning, I have lost it and I have received a notification that my account was disabled. I immediately checked my account and I found out an email from Facebook saying that it looks like somebody may have accessed your Facebook account. To secure your account, you'll need to answer a few questions. Believe me, I tried. I was hoping that I can be able to retrieve it back, but it was never returned to me. I'm still in a state of shock. I still can't believe that this happened to me. And I don't know if I can still trust the Blue App, honestly. With all the hard work that I have put in this industry of content making. To all of you, please secure your account. If you can have 2-factor, 3-factor, 5 factors of verification just to secure your accounts. And please do not click on any mysterious links. Did this happen to you? I want to read all of your comments. Comment below.